Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're making for you
kale and spinach soup, or if you prefer, green Thai chili soup. It's full of greens like spinach and kale, and it's also got some tofu for protein. You're going to need a big pot for this because there's so much green going to it, you won't believe it.
This soup is packed full of goodness. It's green, it's got broccoli, kale and spinach, packed with magnesium, packed with iron, packed with folate, packed with all of the things that you would need and that we'd normally put in a green smoothie.
It's kind of like a savoury, soupy smoothie.
This is part of our veganuary meal plan, which we're giving away for free. We must be mad.
Must be absolutely bonkers.
But we're giving away our meal plan for free. It's 4 weeks, delicious plant-based recipes so that you can eat the rainbow, feel fantastic, and survive and thrive on a plant-based diet. We whiz this up with a hand blender, but you could also use a big bad boy blender. It's gonna make the job much easier. If you're using a hand blender, keep going until it gets to the consistency that you like. We're serving this with soba noodles, which are packed full of protein, they're gluten-free, and they taste delicious.
It's really good for texture and bite as well. I think we should give this a whirl.
Let's see how it tastes.
Okay, it's like citrusy and it's beautiful. There's a slight hint of heat. It's delicious. This is one video in our veganuary meal plan, so subscribe to the channel.
And you can get that meal plan in the description. Also, let us know what you thought of this in the comments.
Bish,
Bash, BOSH!